what I got told off in the last video for covering my mouth. So I'm going to try and keep my mouth as open as possible. Right. Unfortunately, vi droch scéal an sin go déirí. There was a bad, rather negative story. Scéal Gaeltacht han cumach faoi stáis na Gaeltacht na Gaeltachtaí about the status of Irish in the Gaeltacht regions, and something that is often remarked on is just the fact at how precipitously, well, it's not often remarked on at all, which is actually quite demonstrates a complete disregard to it. But one of the things that people often comment is, oh, well, sure, a lot of the Mayo Gaeltacht is a complete lie, you know, like there's regions where there's no Irish spoken at all. And that's entirely true. But it leads then people to kind of think, oh, well, there was never any Irish there, or they should just make it up for the grants. And something that's quite interesting, this is from a little pamphlet, and look, I'm only showing what's in the book. I'm not stating the verity of it, but what was interesting in the Tuairisc.ie article that came out had something like 15%. I think it was 15% is like the average amount of families raising their kids through Irish to Gaeltacht now, which is terrifyingly depressing. But what's interesting is if you think of like Corcogoivna or Corcogoina, as they say themselves, you know, that's the legitimacy of that as the Gaeltacht region, and its importance, certainly in terms of like its contribution to literature and song and all that, never questioned. But if you look at the statistics from Níde Chuige Sé, you will see, if I can zoom in close enough, hopefully you can see that. Well, actually, Níde Seasca Hain, 1961. And I know it's going to be in mirror, but I'll interpret it for those who can't read in mirror. Kerry has 7,000 Irish speakers noted amongst the Limerick of the Gaeltacht regions, and Mayo had 11,599. Now the percentage of speakers was much below the average, was 75.4% compared to, like, you know, obviously, like even Waterford had 93.4, Galway had 92.5, but it's still a huge amount of speakers, and it's really sad how it's gone to like virtually nothing now. So that's why I think it's important to make these videos, and hopefully you pick up some words.